All right, we're going to look at nth root operations with multiplication. So nth root meaning that your radicals just have a different index other than just 2. So when we go about doing these problems, we're going to solve them the same way as if it was an index of 2. Let's combine our outside numbers and we're going to combine our inside numbers together. So 3 and 2 give us 6. We have a big radical index of 3. Let's put together 36 times 6. It's going to be a bigger number. It's going to give us 216. But it's a number that I like. Variables, x times x squared. Remember, when they're next to each other, we're going to add the exponents, giving us x to the third. Same thing with the y squared. We have 1 and 2, giving us 3 y's. Now, what number gets multiplied by itself 3 times in order to give us 216? We're going to say 6 times 6 times 6. Whoa. So what got repeated here? 6 got repeated here. So we have that. This originally one comes down. Then this gives us another 6. We used them. What gets repeated with the x's? Well, we have x, x, x. I have 3 x's. X got repeated. I have y, y, y. Y got repeated. Let's do one more thing. Put them together. 36, x, y. Yay. We just simplified those big ugly problems. Let's try it again. This time we have an index of 4. So no numbers on the outside, but that's fine. Index of 4, big radical. 3 times 27 is going to give us 81. And now let's add our exponents. X to the third, x giving us x to the fourth, y squared and y squared giving us y to the fourth. And now we're looking for what gets multiplied by itself 4 times in order to give us each one of these. Well, we're going to have 3, 3, 3, 3, x, 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 y, 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 y. What got repeated 4 times to get the 81? 3 got repeated. What got repeated 4 times to give us x to the fourth? X got repeated. What got repeated 4 times to get y to the fourth? Y got repeated. Look at that. Everything's outside the radical. Let's try one more time with numbers on the outside. So 2 times 3, put them together, giving us 6. Inside, 8 and 2 gives us 16. X to the third and fifth, so 5 plus 3 gives us 8. Y squared and y squared gives us y to the fourth. Now let's simplify. What gets repeated 4 times in order to give us 16? Well, 2, 2, 2, 2. What gets repeated 4 times to give us x to the 8th? X squared, x squared, x squared, x squared, and then y, 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 y. All that's underneath that radical, so we're left with 2 comes outside, 2 got repeated. X squared got repeated, y got repeated. Hold up, we had this original 6 in the front. Let's bring it down, put those two things together. 12x squared y. Congratulations, that is using nth root operations with multiplication.